Hi, welcome to my business presentation on EcoSentinel, my idea for the Blue Ocean Competition 2026. My name is Nolan Tran, and I'm from California, United States of America. Let's get into it. So the problem today is that schools and hospitals are among the most energy-intensive buildings in California. Yet most of the energy use goes unmanaged. Aging systems run inefficiently, and maintenance is reactive rather than preventative. This leads to higher emissions and rising utility costs that strain public budgets in buildings, already accounting for 24% of California's greenhouse gas emissions. This directly impacts both our climate goals and the communities that rely on these spaces. So, meet EcoSentinel, smarter energy for the spaces that care for us. EcoSentinel is a preventative energy intelligence platform designed specifically for schools and hospitals. Using low cost sensors and AI driven analytics, we detect hidden inefficiencies in HVAC and mechanical systems before they waste energy or increase emissions. By shifting public facilities from reactive maintenance to proactive optimization, EcoSentinel reduces carbon output, lowers operating costs, and protects the spaces that care for our communities. Now let's look at the red ocean landscape. The current market is dominated by energy audit firms and large building management systems, and audits provide one time reports, however, they lack continuous monitoring. BMS platforms offer deeper control but are expensive and complex. As a result, the industry competes heavily on hardware and technical sophistication, not simplicity or scalability. Today's industry focuses largely on large districts and major hospital systems, but thousands of smaller schools, clinics, and community facilities either one, avoid complex systems, two, haven't rejected expensive solutions, or three, don't even consider energy intelligence accessible at all. EcoSentinel expands the market by making preventative carbon monitoring affordable and scalable, transforming a niche facilities market into a much larger opportunity. EcoSentinel operates on a hybrid revenue model, a low cost sensor kit paired with a recurring software as a service subscription for monitoring and analytics. We also offer performance based contracts that align our revenue with verified energy savings. This go to market strategy begins with a 90-day pilot program in California school districts and hospital systems, supported by state energy incentives and sustainability grants. Because the platform is cloud based and hardware light, it scales easily across campuses and districts, enabling mass adoption as public institutions face increasing pressure to reduce their emissions and operating costs. And EcoSentinel reshapes the industry using the EERC framework. We eliminate reliance on one time audits and heavy hardware. We reduce costs and complexity. We raise continuous monitoring and carbon transparency. And we create a new category, AI driven carbon intelligence, built specifically for schools and hospitals. So, how do we open the market? How do we get a blue ocean? EcoSentinel shifts the industry's value curve entirely. On the left side, we eliminate reliance on one time audits and reduce costly, complex hardware installations. As we move right, we raise continuous monitoring, preventative intelligence, and carbon transparency well above industry standards. And finally, we create a new category, an AI driven carbon intelligence layer built specifically for public institutions. So instead of competing on complexity and hardware, EcoSentinel competes on simplicity, prevention, and scalable environmental impact, opening a true blue ocean for our company. EcoSentinel is built entirely on existing proven technology. IoT sensors already monitor HVAC systems in commercial buildings today. AI based predictive maintenance is widely used across industries to detect inefficiencies before failure. Real time energy analytic platforms are already deployed globally, and integration with current building management systems is supported through open APIs. This means that EcoSentinel does not require new technology to be made, only just a smarter application of it. So that's my business proposal for EcoSentinel. I hope you like it. And my name is Nolan Tran, and thank you for listening to my presentation.